welcome to the Adventure Syndrome. We're here today to unbox our stroller. We got the Chicco Active Jogger, and it's a system, so the Keyfot 30 car seat just clicks in and out. This one was the most user-friendly that we found in the store. We were able to actually fold it up and unfold it. We didn't get stuck, and we could figure it out ourselves. So that was important to us, that it was an intuitive system. And it's the jogger, so it's got the suspension, it's got the big wheels. It can go with us wherever we're adventuring, dog beach, camping, all the usual places that we go. So if you guys are interested and want to keep on watching, click the subscribe button below so you don't miss another video while we unbox our adventures. So I'll get this open. Away. We have to do anything. Do you want to come pull it out?
Get a hand?
Yeah.
Some assembly may be required.
Oh, yeah, we gotta put the wheels on.
Yep. First zip tie's gotta come off. So why don't you work on the zip ties?
Okay.
Looks like here's a wheel, another wheel. I think we'll be filling up the recycling today. Good thing they pick it up tomorrow. And the front wheel.
I think that's all of them. Yeah. Okay.
Now's the part where we probably should read the instructions. So those seem to be all the parts, so this ought to be pretty intuitive. Hopefully. Famous last words.
Yeah, so it's got these great, are these air tires?
Yeah, they're pneumatic.
Yeah. To make the ride that much more comfortable for your little bundle, and smoother for you. I was watching a lady pushing like a conventional stroller down the street, and it looked like it could get really cumbersome if you're going uphill, or if you've got, you know, a lot on your back or whatever. So the ease of pushing this was noticeable in the store, and I think the wheels make a big difference.
There's a bar that also need to be attached.
Does that have to be attached to?
This has to, you gotta take these zip ties off first.
Oh, I missed some. Oh.
Yep. So maybe there's a little more assembly required than we first thought. This is the front wheel. Now you're supposed to pull this pin out somehow. you just take this little D-ring off, pull this out, and the front wheel attaches through here. And through there. It's not the sturdiest
yeah, that's it.
safety pin to seem to hold this in.
Maybe we can upgrade that ourselves.
Well, there's no pressure on it, so it's not like it needs to be weight bearing. But I'm on the wrong side of this to do this. I have to do this left-handed, which I'm not so good at. There, we got that through. Now somehow it seems to click together.
Here.
And then the front wheel
Oh, it's like an office chair. They just click
goes in there. And then these look to be just as easy. Click in. There's a little release right there to hold it. And there.
Wow.
And then if I remember how this goes,
You should just be adjusted.
I don't quite remember. I think these are the handles.
Doesn't it just twist? Yep.
There it goes. There we are.
Awesome.
Just a couple more pieces to click in, and then it's all set up. I have to figure out where this goes
This
when you
goes
reference the menu.
right here.
There you go.
I think. Okay. But really, it is the easiest one we can figure out.
No, just kidding, not really that bad. So this guy is pretty easy. This just clicks onto the sides here. You just gotta make sure that wherever it clicks on, that button lines up.
It's gotta go just right there.
These guys just click right into here. There's one on the other side too. We'll have to read the manual. Looks like there's a little Velcro that attaches here. So, and then where was the Velcro? I just had it over here. Where did this Velcro attach to? So this guy comes back and over the top, and there's Velcro on the back of the basket here. And this Velcro also just goes up on the inside. So there's a little canopy. And it's got a nice little window so you can see your baby. And it's also got a nice little zipper in a little compartment over here where you can keep some more stuff. So that's actually pretty handy. So it's got 2 cup holders for your beers. And a nice little zipper here.
Yep.
And
The instruction manual's a little on the misleading side because the majority of the stroller does come already assembled, and this walks you through assembling the things that they already assembled, so it can be a little confusing, but do we need the manual for this part?
Yep.
Okay.
So I'm guessing this guy attaches somewhere into here. That's how I look at this. There it goes.
Oh, well, you got it.
And then you just got a couple buttons under here to release it.
Oh,
Otherwise, he just locks right in there.
nice. Cool.
And the fun part is this strap that you're supposed to put around your wrist in case you have a runaway stroller. It's not a bad idea. I don't think I've literally ever seen anyone wearing a leash to their
To their stroller.
stroller. Maybe we can use it to tie the dog and have the dog help us pull uphill. Don't try this at home. That's actually a terrible, terrible idea. Do not sue us if you attach your dog to your stroller. That's a terrible idea. Alright, I think next it's time to unbox the
car
Chicco Keyfot 30 car seat. and see how that clicks in and out of here. Oh, and also this opens up for the car seat, or it also reclines for the different positions for your kid once you're in the stroller mode. So,
Cool.
pretty versatile.
Yeah.
We'll see you later when we get the seat unboxed.
Bye.